like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to do a wheelie. Pull a little free.
Hey.
I can make a shake. Yeah. I'm going up and down the tray. You know I'm about to bet the stacks. You know I'm about to bet the max.
Dude, you need to go record another one, man. I like that song, but yeah, I've told you every time you play that for me, it makes me mad that you didn't bring me with you. Because I'd have been like, no. You get back in there and fucking do something like this.
Yeah, I ain't had that much time. I only paid for 1 hour.
That's what I said. I'm going to buy you some of that shit for your birthday or something. And I'm going to go with you because I want to see that shit anyway. I'm going to sit in the corner and smoke weed.
Damn, they didn't let no smoking go. Can't
Really?
smoke. Yeah, gotta go to another studio.
I'll go outside. I'll go in the car real quick. I'll hotbox my car and then run back in there. What about a vape pen?
Smell. Bring some of the smell in there with you.
Bro, that was an unsmoked verse?
Unsmoked verse, dude.
That's why I knew there was something off with it.
It was off, dude.
It's different, man. It's different than when we're just freestyling at your house.
Yeah.
But it's a good song. I mean, I like jamming out to it. The beat's pretty cool.
Yeah, the beat was
I like that little whistle or the flute or whatever it had in it.
I like it. I like
that shit.
I like it. I really, really like it. I like it. Let me see. Trying to work. They won't let me work.
So you got did you have to file an appeal for that copyright claim, or did they just offer it to you? Like, hey, we fucked up. All right, good answer. I can't hear anything. I don't know if you're talking or not.
No, I ain't talking. I'm back.
I hear you.
I'm back. Oh, I missed this beat, boy. Yo. This that beat that I could, this that behind the scene beat right here. Okay. 57 people watching online. Pull up at the track at the drop of a dime. Got the OBS truck, about to make pass. Hold up, got to see the motor and check if it's fast. I'm trying to see the charger, got the man in the gate. Ooh, that's funky time, that's the man in his face. I pull it up at the track, you know it's too late. Nah, when I come here, it's never too late. Track closing at 2. We're telling the truth. Student driver in the line. I'm back in the booth. Yeah. Foot truck. Back in the 2. Seen it up the Yello Belly. I'm acting a fool. Yeah, I'm rapping it too. Yeah, having it too. It's the lookout race and I'm back in the booth. People giving me death. Tell me what's that about. I done came to the track like it was a draft. Got my motherfucking Mustang sitting at the back. Got the tires real low like they look like they flat. Hey, got my lights on, yeah, that's HID. Hold up, let me take that back. LED, yeah, crank the car up now. You see me, got the lights on the dash, yeah, made by Holly. Hey, okay. Okay. 2 Mustang, yeah, I'm back another zone. Pulling up, man, I had to buy another drone. Ooh, wee, man, I had to buy another phone. When they got that iPhone 12 coming through, man, they ain't trying to go with. Hey, that's it, Joe.
I think that shit muted or something.
Yeah, we back with the norms and two. Pulling up, hey, I had to go back on mute. Talk to the people, had to fix it up and go. Coming through, you already know. Hey. Okay. Cold Wall say, look out, Rest was dropping song. Hey. Hey, who else you be watching on YouTube, man?
Me?
Yeah.
Let's see. I don't really watch a whole lot of stuff on YouTube. Me and my wife watch this show, Vice Grip Garage, sometimes. This old dude who works on cars. It's pretty entertaining.
Oh, okay, I see Forever Grudge been on his shorts too. He on his shorts too.
Mm.
He's on those shorts. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Let me see. Carry sound now. All right, well, shit, man. So what we need to do next, man? What track event? What event coming up next?
That's a good question. I was going to ask you. I don't think there's anything this weekend
That's good.
in DFW.
I was supposed to go to Detroit on the 11th.
Damn.
12th, but I can't make it, man. That shit costs too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, they done went up on them flight tickets, boy. They high. Ooh.
How far of the drive is that?
I don't know, man. I ain't even
Caprice ain't trying to.
I ain't trying to do it, man. But
probably be at XRP for their bracket stuff that they got this weekend.
I need to figure out somewhere to go then.
Friday's going to be what? Flashlight Friday at Yello Belly. Are they starting to get more traction or no?
I don't know. It's a good day for testing and tune, though.
Yeah.
Well, shoot, I'm finna go, man.
All right, bro.
I appreciate it all, y'all. We done been on live a long ass time. I sure appreciate y'all pulling up, man, checking me out. I'm gonna re-drop that video that they didn't want nobody to see. Oh,
yeah, I'm glad you got that back.
I'm unflagged. They're like, no, look out as a great guy. He should never be flagged. Amazing for him. So yeah. I'm gonna holler at y'all later on. I'll hit you up later, Stone Vic.
All right, brother. Take care, man. Thanks for having me on.
Look out.